Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. With Father's Day around the corner, I am preparing a special dessert recipe today. This is classic apple crumble or apple crisp recipe. This is a very healthy recipe because we will not be using refined flour, refined sugar, milk, soda, baking powder or even eggs. This dessert is delish and absolutely yummy. So let's quickly see how to prepare it. Firstly, we'll take 2 apples and then we need to peel it. After peeling, we'll take a tray, a baking dish like this, grease it with oil or butter, and then we'll cut thin slices of apple in it. So you can directly cut the slices in this baking dish. We need to roughly chop it, ensure that the slices are thin enough. Once chopping is done, then we'll sprinkle half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder in it along with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix everything well. Cinnamon gives a very nice flavor to apples, so ensure to add it. After mixing, then we'll keep this tray aside and in another bowl, we'll add 1/3 cup of oil. Here I have used vegetable oil, but you can even use coconut oil, which is even better for this recipe. Now in this we'll add 2/3 cup of jaggery powder. Yes, we are not using refined sugar, we are using jaggery powder to make a dessert more healthy. You can even use jaggery directly, just cut it into small pieces and then you can add it in oil. After mixing, we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Essence is completely optional, but to give additional flavor, I'm adding vanilla essence. Now mix it one more time. Into this goes 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour or atta and 1/4 cup of instant oats. Now we need to simply mix everything well. We basically need to prepare a nice crumble of all the ingredients which we have used here. So we should get a sand kind of a consistency, the breadcrumbs which we usually prepare, so you will get just a similar consistency. Use your finger like this. And here is your crumble ready. Now what we need to do is that we need to simply sprinkle this crumble on top of the apples. In the apples, I have also added half a cup of water to cook it properly. And then just sprinkle the crumble on the top. Ensure to get an even layer on the apple layer. And our dessert is ready to go for baking. Just have a closer look at it. The bottom we have an apple layer and the top we have the crumble. I've already preheated my microwave at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes and then we need to bake our dessert at 180 degrees Celsius for at least 25 to 30 minutes until the top layer gets crispy enough and apples are cooked properly. In this recipe, there is no need to cook apples separately and then add it. You can simply add water in apples and apples will cook properly enough. Now baking is done and our apple crumble is ready. You can let it cool down a bit and then serve it. One can serve apple crumble with ice cream, custard and even whipped cream. Let me show you how does it look like. Just look at this. We have got a crispy top and gooey mushy apples. The combination of jaggery powder along with apple give a really nice taste. There is no need to add anything else. It's a simple recipe with simple ingredients. Just bake this dessert for your loved ones and I'm sure they will really like it. You can serve it with vanilla ice cream as I said earlier. Although you can even have it just like that. Simply whenever you want to serve it, just warm it a bit for 2 to 3 seconds in a microwave and you are good to go. So friends, do try out this recipe. I'm sure you'll really like this simple healthy dessert. Let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video.